Assalamualaikum everyone, Eid Mubarak. Today I'm back with the last episode of Ramadan Cafe. Today we're going to be making Sheer Khurma. But before I make it, I want to show you a few things. So first I want to show you this mehndi that my mom put on my hands, my bracelets, and then I have a gift from my mom. And she gave me this, so let's unbox it. In this, I have this big, nice wrapped gift in there, and get the so we're gonna put that bag in there, and let's open it. So first, I have to open the ribbon. Okay, now let's open. So we have this, which I'm pretty sure is a hat. And then we have the apron. Thank you so much, Mom. Okay, now this is what I got. I got 2 aprons, one for my mom and one for me. And then I got this chef hat. Now I'm gonna open the hat first. So this is the hat. I cannot wear it. Oh, doesn't. And then you wear it like that. Then you patch it back. Okay guys, so here's the result. How do I look? There are a lot of foods on this table, and we also have this nice cute decoration that my mom made with these butterflies, flowers, candles, and she is so creative. But we're missing one thing, and that is Sheer Khurma. So let's go make it. Okay, let's get started with the recipe. So here are the ingredients. We have corn flour, savaya, sugar, almond, pistachio, coconut, water, and ghee, and most importantly, milk. My mom made this sheer khurma, and now I'm just mixing it. Now our sheer khurma is ready, so our table is complete. Thank you for watching. Eid Mubarak again. Please subscribe and like. See you in the next video.